Hey, morning, folks. Happy Thursday to everyone. Hope everyone's doing all right. Really quick one today. So the FOMC minutes from overnight, pretty much cementing the Fed's commitment to remaining hawkish, basically, and we are seeing the Dixie just taking this massive bid. We're trading over that little hump over there, about to test the 107 handle. At the same time, it's really not much to speak about the SPOOs. We are still, as I've mentioned a couple of times now, these prior technical levels. I guess we can add this on right now. Over there, potentially looking for that recess of the 42,000 handle. Before going for that nicer long, although there are, people are saying, not people are saying, I read this on Bloomberg early this morning saying that, traders might be a bit chilled, a bit too chilled about the effects of inflation long term. So if a bear market is to hit us globally, it might hit us sooner than later because traders are not taking this as seriously as they should, potentially, right? So that is a key thing there. So crude is remaining buoyant above that 87 handle over there. We opened at 87.39s, looking for it to sort of I mean, in terms of, we had a massive uh, draw last night on the DOEs, but the dollar doing what the dollar does, might put a bit of pressure on this crude market. So my advice is, as I've seen this a couple of times, where you might do better waiting for those much better entry points, basically, on this market. Looking at, you might get levels that are potentially, yesterday's low, perhaps 86.50s, to, show that buyers are concerted and they are trying to hold that line before, going gung ho, guns blazing, basically. One market that is quite interesting is this guy right here, the Japanese yen. Look at this market over here. If we do break this area over here, I do foresee, a retest of the, what's this level here, 74224s, before going further down and retesting these prior lows here, which is also pretty much, in line with this. Well, let's say in line, that is quite a massive level, but you can start massaging orders obviously before we start retesting this prior resistance trend line. And as that goes further lower, you might be seeing the Nikkei, as it goes on to retest these prior handles, 28,600s possibly, to then pick up the pace and go further higher. That is it really from me. If anyone's potentially interested in FX, then this Aussie is about to go for this prior 68500s test, but before that, it does have this supportive trend line to contend with. So we'll see what happens here. So, and that is in line pretty much with the 69,000 handle. A very interesting area indeed. Okie dokes. So that is it from me today. We do have existing home sales later on from the US. We do have final inflation metrics from the Eurozone, but these are final numbers. So not expecting a lot of surprises there. Unless the numbers just come in completely out of line. So this is really been today's daily briefing. Any questions at all, please feel free to hit me up in Discord or in the comments over here. Have a great session ahead, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.